Today I'm going to unbox the Videoloft Cloud Adapter Mini. It comes in two variants, one that supports up to 8 cameras and one that supports up to 16. Physically, they're identical, but they run on different software depending on the version. Once you open the box, you'll see the cloud adapter itself. It has a small SD card right here. This runs the Videoloft software. There's also a 32GB USB flash drive. If your internet connection drops, video is temporarily stored on here. Once the network is restored, it's automatically uploaded to the cloud. Here's the micro HDMI port. You can use it to connect a monitor to view your camera live feeds. This is the Gigabit Ethernet port to get online, and here's where you plug in the power. You can ignore the other ports, they're not needed. Every cloud adapter has a unique 6-character cloud ID. This links the adapter to your account and your cameras. You'll see how to do this in the install guides linked in the description. Under the hood, it features an ARM Cortex-A72 CPU and a Broadcom Video Core 6 GPU, powerful enough to handle real-time video processing and cloud communication. In the box, you'll find a few extras. A short Ethernet cable to connect the cloud adapter to your router or switch, the power supply, which operates at 5.1 volts with 4 plug adapters, US, UK, Europe, and Australia. 2 protected by Videoloft window stickers, one for inside glass, one for outside, and a QR code that takes you straight to the install guides. The Cloud Adapter Mini makes it easy to connect your existing CCTV system to the cloud. It's simple, secure, and ready to scale.